What's going on, everyone? This is Jeremy coming at you from Mellow Vapes here in Statesville. Today I'm coming at you with a new mod that we're carrying in our store. Today I'm showing you the Kaos Vapsoon 208 kit. It's a pretty awesome, compact little kit. I think one of the most cool features on here, most notable features, is the dial that they have on here. So rather than having to click a bunch of buttons and having to be like, how long do I have to hold the button? Oh my god, I just passed the button, I gotta go back, click it a bunch of times. This kind of takes some of that out by you just wind this, and it kind of adjusts based on the quickness that you turn the dial there. But it's super cool. To turn it on, 5 clicks to the button there. It takes two 18650s, and it also takes, two 18650s. It can build down to a 0.1 and has a max voltage of 8.0. So pretty cool little mod. Comes with the Kaos 120 tank on there. It's a pretty cool little tank. It uses some of the Sigelei coils. Sigelei is a famous company that we've been dealing with for a long time. It's actually nice to get some Sigelei mods back in here, and Kaos is just a kind of a off-brand of Kaos, or of Sigelei. But hope to see some of you all out here for this, and everyone have a wonderful weekend.